Well, hello friends, and welcome to another great trading session with your boy Felix. And today I'm going to teach you guys a rather easy strategy. In this strategy, my tongue today. In this strategy today, you're gonna have a moving average EMA, and you're gonna have it on 102. EMA, you're gonna have it on 102. EMA 102. Line. Doesn't really matter how thick you want it. Color, it's up to you. And you're gonna have your moving average, your awesome oscillator, you're gonna have it on 200, the slow period, and the fast period, you're gonna have it on 5. I'll explain why. And then your CCI indicator will be on 100, 100. All right, great. So the point here of this trade is to trade here. When price breaks here, price should already break your moving average and break this. Awesome oscillator breaks, and then your CCI indicator must be on the oversold. All right, then from here, you are going to wait like 1, 2, count 2 candles and then sell. Sell for at least 2 minutes. Okay, so pretty much easy. Let us go and look for a moment like that. All right, here we didn't have a moment. We don't have, it's already went up here. Okay, can we still go up in here? Okay, let's look here. No moment. Just missed this one. We just really missed it. Oh, sucks. Missed it. All right, let us see. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. All right, guys, the reason why this is such an amazing strategy, I spent countless hours on it because, you know, it doesn't require you to be trading every time, you know, because that's what other channels do. They give you a strategy that requires you to be trading like every second. You just be clicking buy, sell, and before you know it, you're out of money. I mean, that's something you don't want to be in. So once it's a buy, it breaks here, and you can see it's broken the lower moving average. It's a buy, but if you want, you can still buy it here, right? But I would suggest you guys to buy it here because 2 signals have already given you. It's broke here for a buy, and then it broke here for a buy, right? And here it's already broke here. So that means you can sell this for 2 minutes. You will be in the money. All right, so let us look for more opportunities. Are we getting an opportunity here? Okay, it looks like we're getting an opportunity here, guys. Get ready. If you are trading live with me, the best thing is for you guys to go on an account, right, and look for the same thing that I'm doing. So here we have a buy, and then we're just waiting for a break here. Let's go in our 2-minute time frame. Come on, CCI, don't be naughty. All right, so we are broke here, broke, and we are buying. Okay, all right, there we go. We have just bought. So let us see the results. You know, trading binary, it's a very risky game. If you don't know what you're doing, and if you don't follow strategies like mine, you will be in the dark. So guys, you can please check out my Telegram number, which is in the description below, so you guys can chat with me on Telegram. I can help you trade, and we can all make money together. Also, I've got an email address, which is also in the description. Please click on it. And if you don't have an account yet, please click on the link in the description and open yourself a demo. You are going to get $10,000 worth of coins for you to trade in, but I always bring it down to at least $100. It's better when you're practicing with $1 or when I make my videos, so that my viewers can be able to, you know that they need to start with a small amount instead of putting $2,000 in there and you have no idea. That's pretty much the reason why I trade on a demo account and do my videos, because I mean, I want to encourage you guys, new beginners, to be trading on what is this, on your demo account before you go into real money. But of course, there is people looking at my videos who have ideas, who have already trading with real money. Go ahead, guys. The sky is the limit for you. The strategy works, and it's going to make you guys a shitload of money. If you just follow the rules, you will be okay. So let us see what happens. We have 15 seconds left. The strategy is so effective. It's made me, and it's made a lot of people a lot of money. Everybody loves the strategy, and I created it through sweat. I really was sweating when I was creating this strategy. I mean, it makes you a lot of money. So let us look for another one. Let us look for another strategy. No strategy. another currency pair that we can trade on. All right. Yeah, I knew I was gonna buy here, but I would have bought here actually because it's just right here, I think. Yeah, but for demonstration purposes, I'll keep it. So in the meantime, while you're waiting for a moment, that's why I put it on 5 seconds, because 5 seconds creates moments much quicker than a minute. And then you can actually rest, go take a shower, brush your teeth, call your mom, call your sister, call your son, call your wife, call whoever you want to call. I mean, you don't have to be eyes on the computer every time, because it does take a while to get into a moment. All right, so we're getting a buy signal here. Let us see. So we've already passed the moving average to a buy, and here we are going on top. All right, well, the awesome oscillator has gone to the top, and we are going for our buy. Okay, there we go. So let us see. Let me show you guys that the strategy is good. It's a very good strategy. There's not much you need to worry about. People want you to go into a trade and it just goes up. Yeah, you are gonna get some, but you're gonna get some rate down, some resisting, and some pull and push until it finally starts going towards your prediction. So I would encourage you guys to put in the time of two minutes, and yeah, you just see how this trade goes. I mean, please guys, put your comments below. Let me see what you guys think about my strategy. And if you guys need help, please just text me. I've got Telegram. My number is in the description. I will be able to help you guys so you guys can make a lot of money. The days of you losing money is over. Today is the future. You guys can make money after money. So guys, that is just my trades for today. If you want me to show you more, please send me messages and email me. I will be able to give you guys a quick tutorial and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, I love and leave you with this strategy. Let me know how much money you are making with this strategy. And until we meet again, guys, soldier on. Out.